In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the HTML of an email you send from HubSpot. This is really helpful if you want to reuse an email layout in another platform, troubleshoot formatting issues, or simply understand how your email is structured behind the scenes. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to grab the full HTML of any marketing email you've already sent from your HubSpot account. First, log into your HubSpot account the way you normally do. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll see different sections for your tools. Find the marketing icon. This might appear as a label that says marketing, or as an icon depending on your layout. Hover your mouse over that marketing area to open up the related options. From the options that appear, click on email. This will take you to your email tool where you can see a list of emails you've created and sent. Give the page a moment to load if you have a lot of emails in your account. Now, scroll through your email list and look for the specific email whose HTML you want to access. When you found it, move your mouse over that email row. As you hover over it, an Actions button should appear, usually on the right-hand side of that row. Click the Actions button, and from the drop-down menu, select View Email. This will open a new page in your browser that displays the email as it was sent to your contacts. On this new email page, you're seeing the finished version of your email, but what we want is the code behind it. To access that, right-click anywhere on the page. It doesn't matter if you right-click on text, an image, or a blank area. From the menu that appears, choose View Page Source. In some browsers, you might instead choose Inspect, and then navigate to the page source from there. Both options will show you the HTML. A new tab or window will open, displaying the raw HTML code for that email. This is all the underlying structure, styling, and content in code form. From here, you can click and drag to highlight specific sections, or press a keyboard shortcut like Ctrl-A or Command-A to select everything. Then copy it using your usual copy shortcut. You can now paste that HTML into your code editor, another email platform, or save it for reference. And that's it. You've successfully accessed the HTML of a sent email from HubSpot.